Brother. Upa brother. Entonces, using the vehicle, Toyota, the box, registration number, UAY, 502, UAY, 502, B. The serial number is 075. 053. 94. 99. Name number.
I have this phone. Look national.
It's inside the phone. Yeah. Yeah, it was the nationality.
Council, which names did you give me? The first one is called, I mean the second one.
Ibrahim. One.
To advise how one should look at the car.
You know? But also, you're fine. If you know these cameras, just do your work. Just ignore, do your work. And the characters will be. It goes, does his exams, tomorrow he does. We don't know which are which. We go to the level for there, or we should go to the next year.
Apply for very good lawyer, lawyer, and produce possibilities. Council raised a very serious ground for applying for bail, then the person is a student. He's supposed to do an exam. And they have missed some papers. Surprisingly, noted, council was not produced any evidence in court of against Pratt, or at least the examination time taken. Because they don't believe that this person is a student of primary school. They're supposed to do an exam. You're objecting this is an application. In the following ground. You also protest the offense is clear and a very serious offense. The offense is that the person is charged with. That is cyber harassment and offensive communication. The also accused Council one court to believe to be a student was very difficult to have him written for a mere statement at the police station. It is evident that from the fact that the offense was committed in March, April, but because of this uncooperative tendency, it wrapped up today. That's when he appeared in the court. Before this matter is ongoing, that if a person is released on bail, is going to interfere with the investigation.
Yeah, the rejoinder,
Your Honor, I should ignore number 8, the mere irrigation. It's not easy. Just mere irrigation. Let's be seated in business and make mere irrigation without departing of anything. It does not stay. On this day, I wrote a letter or sent the WhatsApp message to this number inviting the accused person to come to statement at the police station. So, what is hardness in process? Actually, this thing here shows there was a lot of softness. Yes. Number 5. The paragraph 5. That in Machanga, we learn investigation. By the reading examining to as a school, the reading examining, the rest is subject to analysis. You don't know what the hardware. You got the software. We say no claims. Everyone is using this. You get the software is on the side of it. So, this guy thinks, yeah, I'm very mad. I don't know. So, this something already, like, just Google her, YouTube, what she does, what she says, full figure, this young man, half figure, or what full figure, the way, that's the year of the president. So now, super citizen here, who can access the president. That's the story of Goliath. You are David. That's what it is. That's what it is. And before we start somewhere, you should invite a Nisa. That's what it is. I'm not saying that it's somewhere. But I'm saying that it's not somewhere. These are our children in order. We want them to go to school and put some investments of it. Don't destroy them when they go to the streets. These are our children. And what they are because of our society. Just admit this young man. What is they? Just ignore.
But I'll put it on record. It's good you know you have a press step that you can take to address that issue. The accused are known as the state. I have about 30 accused persons to be attended to. New files from prison who have identified the same. In the meantime, I'll take leave to prepare this ruling and have it to the man. So the ruling in this bill application is started on the 13th of June at 10 o'clock. The accused therefore was remain in custody of the man until then. I just want to be sure that the shooting participated in the national identity cards. Because we gave one clarification.
Tagara.